5 apps claim they can do your homework.
I tested all 5 for 2 weeks. Same assignments. Same subjects. Here's my ranking from worst to best. And number 1 surprised even me. Here's the problem.
Students waste hours searching for homework help.
Google this. YouTube that. Ask friends. Copy answers. Still get it wrong. Still don't understand. Still fail the test. You need tools that actually teach you while helping you. Not just give answers. That's what I tested. Which app teaches best while solving homework fastest? Number 5.
Photomath.
The worst on my list.
Why?
It's too simple.
You scan a math problem.
It gives you the answer. Step by step.
Sounds good, right?
Wrong. Because it doesn't explain why. It shows calculations, but not concepts.
I used it for algebra homework.
Got all answers correct. Submitted. Full marks. Next quiz?
Failed.
Because I never learned. I just copied.
Photomath is fast but teaches nothing.
Good for checking your work. Bad for learning. That's why it's number 5. Number 4.
Socratic by Google.
Better than Photomath, but still limited. You take photo of any homework question. Socratic searches internet. Finds explanations.
Videos.
Solutions.
The problem? Too much information.
Not filtered. I asked about chemical bonding. Socratic gave me 15 different websites. College level. High school level. Elementary level. All mixed. I spent 20 minutes just figuring out which explanation matched my grade. Too overwhelming. Good for research.
Bad for quick homework.
Number 3. Brainly.
Student community-based app.
You post your homework question. Other students answer. Sounds great. Community learning. Except most answers are wrong. Or partially correct. I tested 10 questions. 6 answers were incorrect. 2 were incomplete. Only 2 were fully correct.
Why?
Because students helping students means blind leading blind. Sometimes it works. Often it doesn't. Plus you have to wait 10 minutes to 2 hours for answers. Not ideal when homework is due tomorrow. Number 2. Quizlet. Close to perfect but missing one thing. Quizlet doesn't solve your homework. It helps you study for homework. You create flashcards.
Or find existing sets.
You study. You learn. Then you do homework yourself. This is good. This is actual learning.
I aced my biology homework using Quizlet flashcards.
Why not number 1? Because creating flashcards takes time. And if no one created a set for your specific topic, you're stuck making your own. Still excellent. Number 1.
ChatGPT.
The winner.
Why?
Because it balances everything. Speed. Accuracy. Teaching. You paste your homework question.
ChatGPT explains the concept first.
Then shows how to solve. Then gives you a similar problem to try yourself. You're learning while getting help.
I tested this with physics, chemistry, history, English.
Every subject.
ChatGPT explained clearly. Corrected my mistakes.
Made me think. I didn't just copy answers. I understood why answers were correct. Next quiz? 93%. Because I actually learned. That's why it's number one. But here's the truth.
Even number one isn't perfect. ChatGPT sometimes makes mistakes.
Especially math calculations. So here's my actual strategy.
Use ChatGPT for explanations and concepts.
Use Quizlet for memorization and flashcards. Use Photomath just to check your math answers.
Use Brainly when you're really stuck and need community help.
Don't rely on one app. Use multiple. Each for its strength. And here's what matters most. Apps should help you learn, not replace learning.
If you just copy answers without understanding, you'll fail the test.
Use apps to understand concepts, not to skip thinking. That's how you turn homework help into grade improvement.
So which app should you download first? Start with ChatGPT.
It's free. It's powerful. It teaches best. Then add Quizlet for flashcards. That's your foundation.
Everything else is optional. Try them tonight on your actual homework. See which helps your learning style.
Some students prefer visual. Some prefer text.
Some prefer community.
Find what works for you.
Comment below which app you currently use for homework.
Or if you've never used apps before, comment which one you'll try first. I'll reply with tips for that specific app.
And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy, where we test every study tool so you can focus on learning, not searching.
See you next video.